Hi there, welcome back to a new video. Today, we will learn what Node.js is, how to install it, and how to run your first Hello World program in it. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
For a long time, JavaScript could only run inside web browsers like Chrome or Safari. But what if you wanted to use JavaScript to build fast backend servers, access file systems, or talk to databases? That's where Node.js comes in.
Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment built on Google Chrome's V8 engine. Simply put, it lets you run JavaScript code directly on your computer or server outside of a browser. Today, we're going to install it and run your very first Hello World program. Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step installation process. First, open your browser and head over to nodejs.org. You'll see a landing page like this. Click on the prominent Get Node.js button. This takes you straight to the download section. Right at the top, you'll see a version dropdown. By default, it selects the latest LTS, long-term support version. You can switch to other versions if you want, but I highly recommend sticking with LTS for production-ready stability and long-term support. Scroll down to the pre-built installer section. Here, you can select your target operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, as well as your system architecture, such as x64 or ARM64. If you're on macOS, click macOS installer.pkg. If you're on Linux, click standalone binary.tar.gz. If you're on Windows, like me, click Windows installer.msi. Download the file, open the installer, and follow the setup wizard using the default settings. During installation on Windows, you might see a checkbox asking to install additional native compilation tools. This is optional, so you can leave it unchecked if you're unsure. Once the installation finishes, let's verify it. Open your terminal or command prompt on Windows and type node-v. Hit enter. If a version number appears, congratulations, Node.js is officially installed on your system. Now, let's run our very first Hello World program. Right in your terminal, let's create a new project directory by typing mkdir Node.js. This command works the exact same way on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Next, navigate into the directory. cd Node.js. Now, let's open this folder inside VS Code by typing code period. If code period doesn't open VS Code for you, make sure you have VS Code installed. You can click the I button in the top right corner of this video to watch my complete VS Code setup guide. Inside VS Code, create a new file named app.js. Type the following line of code: console.log hello world. Save the file. Next, open the integrated terminal in VS Code by going to terminal/new terminal in the top menu, or simply press Ctrl-J on Windows, Command-J on Mac. In the terminal, type node app.js. Hit enter, and boom! You'll see Hello World printed right there in your terminal output. Congratulations! You just executed your first Node.js program. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!